What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel, Big T's Recipes. I'm Tyler, and today I am making an Italian classic, Italian sausage and pepperoni lasagna. My little twist on that, you're gonna wanna check this out. First step, I've got 3 pounds of Italian sausage that's ground. I've got a mixture of hot and mild, use your preference. Got my handy meat masher. Just break that all up, get it combined. Once we get this browned, we're gonna drain the excess fat and we'll be ready to assemble our lasagna. Our meat is drained. We are ready to assemble this lasagna. People always say making lasagna is hard, and I'm here to show you that it's not. It's quick, simple, and absolutely delicious. I've got 3 pounds of ground Italian sausage, hot and mild mixture. Use what you like. I'm probably not going to use all of this. I've got a package of the oven-ready lasagna. You can use regular lasagna in this. I've got fresh shredded mozzarella, some crumbled feta cheese, sliced pepperoni from my local deli, and sliced whole mozzarella that is going to be our topping for this dish. I love this. My wife really loves this. And last but not least, my homemade red sauce. Check out the link in the description so you can see how I make this red sauce. Obviously, if you have jar sauce, use that as well. That's fine. Probably 2 to 3 jars for your red sauce here, but there ain't nothing like the homemade stuff. It's just so good. I do have my oven preheated at 400 degrees. That's what the lasagna package suggested. Let's get ready to assemble. I'm gonna spray, and then I just wanna layer a light amount of our sauce on the bottom. And I am gonna use my hands in this recipe. They are your best utensils, but they're clean, I promise. All right, once you get all those sides and the bottom coated, we're gonna go down with some noodles. Now, this is a 9 by 13 baking pan or casserole dish, whatever you wanna call it. It's not quite gonna fit, but that's okay. That was a heck of a break right there. Don't throw these out. We're gonna use these to just place in the area that doesn't fit. Okay, next, we're gonna put down some of our Italian sausage. And just crumble that up too as you do it, because some pieces may be larger than others. And remember, this is a meaty lasagna. Some slices of pepperoni. And again, I got these sliced at my deli, but use whatever pepperoni you like. Who doesn't like pepperoni? Sprinkle with some mozzarella. The freshly shredded, I find, is better than the pre-packaged bags just because it melts better, has a better flavor. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle and crumble up some of this feta as well. That's the other thing about this. You can get your family involved, get the kids involved, get your hands dirty. And then we want to go right back in with a nice layer of our red sauce. And we'll get this in, then we'll just spread it out evenly. All right, we got our sauce in. We're just spreading. Make sure everybody gets some love here. Get down in there so those noodles will bake. We're gonna do this 2 to 3 more times, depending on how big your casserole dish is. Then we're gonna cover it and pop it in the oven. So we'll see you here in just a second. Last layer. Get the rest of that sauce. Just pour down nice. Spread it out. And my favorite part is coming up last. And that are those big slices of mozzarella. Not only is it delicious, it really looks beautiful on the finished product. Make sure we have enough. And just spread them out evenly. You want every bite to have some of this nice, fresh mozzarella. That one tore on me, but that's okay. Perfect amount. There we go. Our lasagna is assembled. I'm taking a piece of aluminum foil, lightly spraying so that the cheese doesn't stick. We're gonna get this covered. We're gonna put this into the 400-degree oven for 35 minutes covered. We're gonna take the foil off, let it cook for 10 minutes, take it out of the oven, set it on the stove, and here is the hard part. You have to let this sit. You cannot just go straight in with a spatula and start cutting it up. It needs time to rest, absorb all that juice and goodness into those noodles. Let it sit for 10, 15, I like to let mine sit for 20 minutes. So we're about to go into the oven and we will see you here in a bit. Our lasagna is ready. It's Megan's favorite meal, and we have got to take a bite.
This is probably the one I'm the most excited about because it truly is my favorite meal.
It looks great.
It does. Cheers.
Cheers. Yep.
The homemade sauce makes it. Like, absolutely 100% makes it. I typically don't like real spicy food, but I do love that you mix mild and hot Italian sausage in this dish. And the pepperonis, deli pepperonis, I have to have the deli pepperonis, and the mozzarella just make it absolutely delicious.
Couldn't said it better myself. It's the right amount of heat. If you don't like spicy at all, use mild, use just regular beef, you know, or turkey or ground chicken, anything like that. Make it as hot or as mild as you like. We think this is perfect. Those big chunks of mozzarella on top look great, taste great. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you learned something new, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe.
And if it wasn't for him, I'd be hungry.
Cheers.
We'll see y'all next time.
Non-sticking cooking spray. Say that 5 times fast. While we're cooking it. Good grief. This thing is like a stack of bricks. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, get a big one. I know how you
That's
are.
who I am. I love big bites.
Well,
You
but
take
that's
big
not what we're
bites
doing.
too.
She wanted to go in for another bite right there, see? She didn't want to tell you what she thought about it. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. That didn't sound right, did it?
It's really good.
Yeah.
Like, really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it is packed.